Hello everyone, welcome back to the Hassan Arts. So in this video tutorial we will create a simple alarm clock in Blender. Now this video is divided into 4 steps. First steps, create a simple body of alarm. Now in second steps, create a snooze, upper hammer of a clock and simple metal bracket. Now in the third step, create a needle for the clock, like first our hands, second minute hand, third alarm hand, and the fourth one is second hand. In the fourth step, we create a front mirror for the clock, and simple we take over all texture and material for the clock. First of all, you click and press Shift A and go to the mesh and click on the cylinder. Now click on the head cylinder and take the vertices to 40 and the radius like this is good, and the depth something like that. Now press R, Y 90 degrees, something like that, and then go to the edit mode and click on the edge selection, click on the face and click on this side of the face and press I to insert that, and then press Control R to take a look at on that, and then go to this face menu and click on this face and press E to extrude it to inner and click on it, press S to scale them. Now click on this edge selection and click on this one edge and take the arrow on this edge and press Alt and click on it. And now on this transparent modifier, make sure your selection can be select this all over the circle like edge, and press G and the keyboard and press X to do something like that. Okay, take one look at on this side. Again press R and take the arrow on this edge, select that in the edge selection. Now press G and X. Okay, something like that. Select that and press Ctrl V to be level that. Okay, select that and press Alt and click on that, and fully selected press Ctrl B to extrude that. Sorry to be level that. Okay, be level this edge. Okay, it's good. Now go to the back side, take an edge on that, create a 3 loop cut on there. Okay, now select there, go to the face selection, click on that one, on this arrow your, now go to the face selection, click your arrow on the edge of one side and press Alt and click it. Then this circle can be fully selected. Now press E and S, scale them to be up, scale them more, something like that. Press Ctrl B to be level that. Okay, press Alt and fully selected again, press G on keyboard, X to the X-axis, again select them free, press E and S, scale them, press Ctrl B to below that, something like that. Select that edge face, I to X, and select that, and set faces, press E to little bit extrude it. Select that fold and press Ctrl B to scale it. Okay. So now we can create a simple alarm body. Now in the second step, create a snoozer, upper hammer of a clock and simple metal bracket